Hello everybody. So today I want to show you how to answer this one. So I will put B, that is about this one, and Q, that is about this one. So we have the X, that means we need to do first the derivative of B in terms of Y. So this one, we have 2e to the power of 2y. So for this one, we need to do first the derivative of y, then multiply by cosine sy. Later that, we need to do first the derivative of sy, multiply by y, and that is about the product rule of the derivative. So for this one, we have number one. This one, we have negative sine of sy. Later that, we need to do first the derivative of sy, and that is about the chain rule of the derivative. So this one, we have number one. So you got s, and now we put sy go in here. Negative and negative, we have positive. Now we go to the second one because we have dy. So we need to do first the derivative of q with respect to s. So for this one, we need to do first the derivative of s. That is about this one and this one. Because we don't have s, so you got number 0 in here. So this one, we have number 1. This one, we similar for the product rule in here. So this one, we have number 1. This one, we have negative sine of sy. Later that, we need to do first the derivative of sy. So this one, we have number 1. And now, negative and negative, we have positive. So if we look carefully, this one and this one, they are the same. So that is about exact. Now, we need to set up about the function fsy. That is about the integral. So I will select about this one. And we have 3sy. So the integration of this one, we have s. This one, we have cosine sy. So in this case, the integral of cosine sy, we have 1 over y sine of sy. Because if we do first the derivative of sine sy, you got about y cosine sy, and later that we can simplify y in here. So y divided by y. Next, we need to do first the derivative of f in terms of y because we have the s in here. So we need to do this one. So this one, we have number 2 e to the power of 2y. So the second one, that is about s cosine sy. After we do first the derivative in here, and we have d over dy 3 of sy. So in this one, it is similar with this one in here. So we can see that we can simplify this one and this one for the both sides. So we just have only 2y. The interpretation of this one, that is about like this, and that is about y squared plus c. So I will put this one go in here. So this one, that is about this one. So we transform y squared go in here, because this one, that is about 3sy. And this one we got y squared. And we know that this one equals to this one. We have fsy and fsy equals to c. And now we can simplify. And that is the final answer.